are very concerned about climate change. Why? Our teas are being affected with the change of climate. Farmers are having a problem because tea is drying up when dry season comes. So what we have done, we are working with Rainforest Alliance. Rainforest Alliance is an NGO, international, and we are certified. Or my two factories, Itumbi and Amajo, they are rainforest certified. So they are teaching us on how to mitigate uh, climate change. Um, we are we are working on resistant, drought resistant clones or cultivars. They call it cultivars this time. We are giving them seedlings which will mitigate the, the change of climate. So we have a nursery at Nyanzongo, which they will be planting next rains, short rains. We had one in Tumbe with very good cultivars or clone, which they have already taken to plant. They have planted this season. So we are very concerned and working on that. And this clone, it gives 3 kilos a push, 3 kilos a year. The current one gives a half a kilo in a year. So if we take the new one, the new cultivars or the new clone, it means you plant 3,000 trees, will give you, no, if you plant 1,000, you will get 3,000. You will get 3,000 kilos, which is very good. And that will be very good for Kisi. That will be very good for Kisi because Kisi we have no land. So you need a clone which will give more weight, more tea leaves for you to get more money. That is, I think, our way forward in terms of climate. And we are ready and teaching our farmers to adopt any new technology which will address climate change.
About the carbon print emission.